Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to remove recent file in Excel. So simple way, click on file. As we can see, here are some recent files. So here click on options. Now click on advanced. Underneath display section, you will see show this number of recent workbooks. Maximum number is 50. You can make it 0 to remove and disable recent file. Then click on OK. So as we can see, recent files are removed. So thanks for watching. This is the basic and a simple way to remove recent file in Excel. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe this channel.